Should Netflix add a live and on-demand TV streaming component to their service? Presented by Camila Kunjan, Bridger Williams, and Julian Keaton. Netflix was founded by Reed Hastings and Mark Randolph in 1997 in Scotts Valley, California. In the year 1998, Netflix launched its website, which offered 925 different titles of DVD rentals. The subscription model came in 1999 when users were able to subscribe to a pay-by-month service to have DVDs delivered to their house. In 2000, Netflix signed agreements with Warner Brothers and Columbia Film Studios. That same year, Netflix also launched their personalized movie recommendation system that uses the subscribers' film ratings to accurately predict choices for all Netflix members. Benefiting from rapid growth in movie rental services, Netflix gained 4.5 million subscribers in 2005. By 2007, Netflix introduced their streaming service, which allows members to instantly watch television shows and movies on their personal computers. This move resulted in the greatest and most impactful directional shift for the company. A month after the streaming service launched, Netflix also delivered their 1 billionth DVD. In 2009, Netflix began partnering with electronics companies to have their streaming service on smart TVs and gaming consoles. Netflix became available on Xbox 360, Blu-ray disc players, PS3s, internet-connected TVs, and other internet-connected devices. In 2010, Netflix became international by officially launching their services in Canada. Just 1 year later, in 2011, Netflix stopped renting DVDs and only offered streaming services. During this time, Netflix also expanded their services through Latin America and the Caribbean. Netflix waited just 1 more year before expanding into Europe in 2012, starting with the UK, Ireland, and in the Nordic countries. In 2013, the release of House of Cards marks the beginning of Netflix's dive into original programming. Shortly after, this was followed by Orange is the New Black and The Square. By 2016, Netflix was accessible worldwide. The company continued to create more original content and started offering original content for kids. 2017 marked Netflix's 20th anniversary, in which they won their first Oscar for Best Documentary Short Subject with the show The White Helmets. In 2018, the company won another Oscar for Best Documentary Feature for Icarus. The five-force analysis will give us a better picture of how profitable and attractive the industry in which Netflix operates is. Netflix operates as an internet subscription service company that provides subscription services for streaming movies and TV episodes over the internet. First, in this industry, the threat of new entrants is moderate due to high startup costs, large capital needs, and high cost to obtain rights to stream shows. As an example, Netflix had to pay $100 million to keep the show Friends available to Netflix subscribers through 2019. To add to the complication, some content providers have started moving to streaming their content similar to Netflix. The power of the supplier in this industry is high. Netflix's relationship with suppliers is complex and varied. Suppliers have the content that Netflix needs in order to operate. Netflix and its suppliers sign agreements or licensing deals that are usually expensive and short-term. When licensing agreements expire, content suppliers may decide to terminate their relationship with Netflix, thereby diminishing the amount of content Netflix can offer its consumers. Many of Netflix's top content suppliers, such as Amazon, are also its competitors in the digital media space. Netflix's top suppliers are Comcast, Gaumont Film Company, and Lionsgate. The power of buyers is high. First, customers can cancel Netflix service anytime they want without paying any termination fee or breaking a contract. Customer price sensitivity is high as well. This means that if the prices increase, consumers may not pay for the service anymore. In 2011, for instance, Netflix raised the price of its DVD by mail and streaming services from $10 to $16, resulting in a loss of 800,000 subscribers within 3 months of the announcement. Substitute products are classified as moderate. Substitutes for Netflix include satellite and cable television, DVD and DVD rentals, movie theaters, and audiobooks. Rivalry is moderate to high. Netflix main competitors include Hulu, Amazon Prime, Sling, Apple TV, AT&T TV, and YouTube TV. Based on Netflix income statement, 12 months ended December 31st, 2018, their total revenues were over $15 billion and net income was just over $1 billion. Based on their income statement, 12 months ended December 31st, 2019, their total revenues were $20 billion and net income was well into the $1 billions. Things are in a positive financial trajectory for Netflix. Their financials include a streaming revenue and membership information by region. For the US and Canada, as of the year ended December 31st, 2018, they had 64 million paid subscribers. As of the year ended December 31st, 2019, they had 67 million paid subscribers. Netflix continues to add customers and grow. Their basic plan includes streaming TV shows and movies on one device at a time in standard definition. The cost is $8.99 per month. Their standard plan includes streaming TV shows and movies on two devices at the same time in high definition. The cost is $12.99 per month. Their premium plan includes streaming TV shows and movies on 4 devices at the same time in high definitions or ultra high definition. This cost is $15.99 per month. Live streaming could easily fit in with Netflix's current capabilities and offerings, just as it has with competitors such as Hulu. But does it make sense and follow the company's core competencies? Netflix currently offers TV shows that TV networks have created. Instead of paying per show, as they're currently doing, live TV would have to be paid per subscriber, such as 5 cents per subscriber for the home network. Offering a 40-plus channel lineup would cost Netflix a huge amount of capital outlay. There would also be significant costs associated with the development of a live TV product. The cost associated with adding live TV would include negotiated contracts with networks such as ABC, CBS, NBC, Fox, as well as cable companies such as AMC, CNN, Fox News, Comedy Central, etc., updating software and hardware to include servers, customer service dedicated to live TV, and bringing on salaried employees with experience running live TV, as well as advertising and marketing for live TV to current and new customers. Now we're going to talk a little bit about the competitors in the live streaming arena. Hulu is arguably Netflix's biggest competitor and most successful in the live TV streaming arena. Their rates are approximately $55 per month, which is lower than most cable companies. They offer 60 live channels plus Hulu's extensive on-demand and movie and original TV shows. Users are able to utilize 2 streams at once. Hulu does have sports channels such as ABC, Fox, and TNT. However, they do not have the professional sports networks such as NBA, MLB, NFL, and NHL. One negative downside to Hulu is that users are only able to record 50 hours of DVR material at once and can only record entire series, not single episodes. Sling TV is the budget live TV stream competitor. They have various live TV packages ranging from $30 to $40 a month. They have a large focus on sports as they are one of the only streaming companies to offer the major sports networks. They lack a lineup of other popular networks, however, although some of these are separately priced. To put it in simple terms, Sling is budget live TV. AT&T Now, formerly known as DirecTV Now, is AT&T's live TV streaming service. They boast an impressive 45 to 125 channels through pre-existing relations with most networks. It is more expensive, but it has the largest offerings and most resembles cable TV. However, it still has a blocky TV interface and is the most expensive competitor. So what are the options for Netflix? There are 3 primary options for the mega streamer. The first option is to carry on financing its own original content and continue producing high-quality movies and TV shows. This has been successful, but can it keep up with the level of production it has been putting forth? The second option is for Netflix to innovate and establish its own, quote, TV channels. It could control the distribution of the content of these channels by offering daily, weekly, or bi-weekly episodes, creating a live effect. The third option for Netflix is to start offering live TV through already established networks. This would increase Netflix expenses, but would it pay off to step into the live TV arena? In our opinion, Netflix should follow a mix of option 1 and option 2, which is continuing to offer original content and perhaps at a later point in time offer TV shows on a schedule to create a live effect. Netflix is clearly still the leader in on-demand video streaming, and their original content is bringing in incredible revenue. Although adding live TV may bring some customers over from other platforms, it has a plethora of expenses and is contrary to Netflix's core competency. Netflix has some content that is released on a weekly basis, and continuing to increase this model will create the live effect, but still remain within the Netflix ideal. With the size and popularity of Netflix, we conclude the company should stay the course and can innovate and expand within its original content, not depend on other networks to enhance its offering.